In the United States, over 200,000 pounds of clove buds are consumed annually, with an estimated 10 million Americans enjoying clove tea regularly. Yet many of them are unaware of the correct way to prepare clove tea to maximize its health benefits. Today, we will explore the best way to consume cloves and discover the incredible benefits they offer. From detoxifying your stomach and liver to boosting testosterone levels, cloves have a lot to offer. Let's discuss how cloves can transform your health and well-being. Number 1. Kills parasites and worms. Cloves have been traditionally used to eliminate parasites and worms from the intestines and stomach. They contain compounds like eugenol, caryophyllene, and terpenes, which are effective against various types of parasites, including tapeworms, roundworms, and hookworms. These parasites can cause diarrhea, abdominal pain, and deficiencies in vitamin B12, iron, and protein, as well as infections in the intestine, skin, eyes, lungs, brain, and spinal cord. The compounds in cloves prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms in the gut and disrupt the cell membranes of parasites, leading to their death and elimination from the body. For optimal benefits, drink the clove tea on an empty stomach and consider adding honey to enhance the absorption process. Clearing mucus and easing respiratory issues. Cloves thin and loosen mucus, making it easier to expel from the lungs and airways while reducing swelling and irritation in the respiratory tract, facilitating easier breathing. Bronchitis and pneumonia can be caused by bacterial infections, and antibiotics are not always the answer. They may kill beneficial bacteria, leading to digestive problems and weakened immunity. Cloves fight these bacterial infections without side effects. Cloves also alleviate sore throats and help with colds, flu, and sinusitis. To obtain these benefits, follow these 2 steps. Drink clove tea twice a day and perform clove steam inhalation by adding a handful of cloves to boiling water, then inhaling the steam for at least 5 minutes with your head covered by a towel. Repeat this process twice a day. Detoxify the liver. Cloves stimulate the production of liver regeneration factor and vascular endothelial growth factor, promoting liver regeneration and repair by stimulating liver cell growth and differentiation, as well as angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels. Cloves contain sulfur compounds, which can be converted into cysteine, an essential amino acid necessary for glutathione synthesis. This powerful antioxidant helps detoxify the liver. Cloves prevent the oxidation of liver lipids, which can lead to cell damage and death, thereby protecting the liver from damage. Eugenol in cloves suppresses the production of collagen and other fibrotic factors, key components of scar tissue, and prevents liver fibrosis. Clove inhibitory effect on collagen production is specific to the liver and fibrosis. Improves digestion. Cloves contain prebiotic fibers that help feed the good bacteria in the gut, leading to improved digestion, absorption of nutrients, and reduced inflammation. Cloves reduce gas and bloating by relaxing the muscles in the digestive tract and controlling the growth of harmful bacteria, which can also lead to nausea and vomiting. Cloves protect the stomach from ulcers by reducing the production of stomach acid and combating H. pylori, both of which contribute to the formation of ulcers. Boost testosterone. Eugenol in cloves stimulate the production of testosterone by increasing the expression of genes involved in testosterone synthesis. Cloves inhibit the enzyme aromatase, which converts testosterone to estrogen. Cloves help protect testicular tissue from damage caused by environmental toxins, stress, and other harmful factors, which can help boost testosterone production. Blood sugar regulation. Nigericin in cloves increases cells' permeability that helps cells absorb sugar better, which could be helpful for people with insulin resistance. Cloves help prevent pancreatitis and support insulin production by regulating pancreatic enzymes, protecting the pancreas from damage, and supporting its function. Caryophyllene in cloves has been found to have insulinotropic and anti-diabetic effects, helping to regenerate beta cells in the pancreas, which can improve insulin production and glucose regulation. Improve blood flow and repair nerves. Eugenol increases the production of neurotrophic factors, such as nerve growth factor, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and neurotrophin. These proteins support the growth, survival, and differentiation of neurons, promoting nerve regeneration. Eugenol has been shown to enhance axonal regeneration, the process by which damaged nerve fibers regrow and reconnect. This is crucial for restoring nerve function and transmission of signals. Eugenol activates Schwann cells, which are responsible for producing the myelin sheath that surrounds and protects nerve fibers. Cloves reduces blood pressure by dilating and increasing blood flow to the vessels. Cloves help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Massaging clove oil into the legs helps improve circulation and reduce muscle tension, reducing symptoms of peripheral artery disease. Applying clove oil reduces the appearance of varicose veins by inhibiting enzymes such as lipoxygenase that promote inflammation. Improves heart health and reduce bad cholesterol. Cloves contain compounds that inhibit the enzyme, which is involved in cholesterol production in the liver. Eugenol and caryophyllene in cloves stimulate the liver to remove bile acids from the bloodstream, which are then excreted in the feces, taking excess cholesterol with them and reducing the amount of cholesterol available for absorption in the gut. Skin and hair benefits. Cloves fight acne by reducing inflammation and combating bacteria that cause breakouts, promoting wound healing by stimulating nutrient delivery, and exhibiting anti-aging properties by protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Clove oil has been traditionally used to treat baldness and hair thinning due to its potential to promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. Clove oil also enhances hair color and luster while providing protective effects against environmental stressors, heat, and chemical damage. Enhanced dental health. Cloves has been shown to alleviate gingivitis by inhibiting the growth of bacteria and reduce swelling in the gums that causes gingivitis. Eugenol numbs the pain by blocking the nerve endings in the teeth and gums. Cloves kill bacteria that cause bad breath and also have a strong, pungent flavor that can momentarily mask it. Cloves prevent bacteria from sticking to teeth and forming biofilms, which can lead to cavities and tartar buildup. They also reduce the production of acid by oral bacteria, which can damage tooth enamel and lead to cavities. To enjoy all these benefits, simply chew 2 cloves after meals once daily to allow the oil to work its magic. Prevent cancer. Studies suggest that cloves play a role in preventing various cancers, including prostate, colon, breast, liver, and lung cancer. Cloves have been found to inhibit the formation of mutagenic compounds, such as those formed during the cooking of food, which can damage DNA and lead to mutations. Eugenol has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells by blocking the cell cycle and inducing apoptosis, and suppress the expression of genes involved in cell proliferation and survival. To prepare clove tea for maximum health benefits while preserving its nutrients, follow these steps. Choose whole and organic cloves for the best quality and nutrient content. Boil water in a kettle. When the water boils, add 4 to 5 whole cloves per cup. You can also enhance flavor and benefits with lemon slices, cinnamon, honey, and ginger slices. Once you add the ingredients to the boiled water, turn off the heat, cover the pot, and steep for 10 minutes. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the ingredients. Your tea is now prepared for you to enjoy. Some people boil cloves for an extended period, which can lead to the degradation of their delicate compounds, including antioxidants and essential oils. Leaving the pot uncovered while steeping can also result in the loss of essential oils and aromatic compounds. Avoid aluminum or copper utensils when preparing clove tea because these can bind to the essential oils and nutrients in cloves, reducing their effectiveness and flavor. Instead, use utensils made from materials that are inert and non-reactive, such as stainless steel.